Mr. Parrot and Peechy started working together on a piece of barren land where even grass would not grow. The village animals used to make fun of them, but Mr. Parrot kept digging the hard ground with his strong hands while Peechy poured water into it. One scorching afternoon, when everyone had lost hope, the ground cracked open with Mr. Parrot's final strike, and sweet water began to gush out. A greedy landlord bear came to snatch the water away, but Mr. Parrot defeated him through unity instead of force, making all the poor animals partners in that water. When Peechy saw the first greenery sprouting, tears filled her eyes. Mr. Parrot smiled and said, "Hard work never goes to waste. Now this greenery is our future."